Welcome to the world of project integration management, where we explore the art of coordinating all elements of a project to achieve its objectives efficiently and effectively. Project management is a series of interlinked processes, each directed towards achieving a specific result. These processes are grouped into 5 categories: initiating, planning, executing, monitoring and controlling, and closing. Knowledge area mapping connects the 5 process groups with 9 knowledge areas, helping project managers focus on relevant aspects during each phase. In 2008, 2 new processes were added: identifying stakeholders and collecting requirements. This table illustrates how each knowledge area aligns with the project management process groups, providing a structured approach to managing projects effectively. Continuing with our mapping, we delve deeper into how time, cost, and quality management integrate with the process groups, ensuring comprehensive project oversight. Our final mapping segment covers communication, risk, and procurement management, highlighting their roles in the project lifecycle and ensuring all aspects are covered. Project integration management involves 7 key processes that guide a project from initiation through closure, ensuring all elements are coordinated to meet objectives. This visual representation outlines the flow of project integration management processes, providing a clear roadmap from project charter development to closure. Developing the project charter, management plan, and executing the plan are crucial steps. Managing knowledge and controlling project work ensure alignment with objectives. Oversight of project work is essential to meet performance objectives, involving validation and control of scope, schedule, costs, and stakeholder engagement. Integrated change control coordinates all changes affecting project deliverables, ensuring modifications are reviewed, approved, and documented to maintain alignment. Closing the project or phase involves formally completing all activities, obtaining stakeholder approval, and archiving documents, ensuring a solid foundation for future projects. This summary encapsulates the flow of project integration management from start to finish, highlighting key outputs at each stage to ensure successful project completion. Effective project managers lead by example, fostering a supportive culture and engaging stakeholders to drive project execution, sometimes breaking rules to meet goals. Successful project execution requires a blend of leadership, communication, and political skills, along with specialized tools and techniques to navigate complex challenges. Project planning and execution are intertwined and inseparable activities. It's crucial that those who will do the work help to plan the work. Project managers must solicit input from the team to develop realistic plans. Change control refers to the structured process of managing modifications to a project's scope, timeline, or budget. In IT projects, where requirements often evolve due to technological shifts or stakeholder feedback, effective change control is critical to balancing stability and adaptability. Traditionally, project teams were expected to adhere strictly to initial plans, but this often led to issues due to inaccurate scope and cost estimates. Modern project management embraces constant communication and negotiation, recognizing that changes can be beneficial and should be planned for. The Change Control System (CCS) is a formal, documented process that describes when and how official project documents and work may be changed. It outlines who is authorized to make changes and how to make them, involving a change control board, configuration management, and communication processes. The Change Control Board (CCB) is a formal group responsible for approving or rejecting changes on a project. They provide guidelines for preparing and evaluating change requests and manage the implementation of approved changes. Key stakeholders may be part of this board, with some members rotating based on project needs. One drawback of the CCB is that they meet occasionally, which can delay changes. Some organizations implement policies for time-sensitive changes, like the 48-hour policy, allowing project teams to make decisions quickly, with pending approval from senior management. Organizations often have many projects to help achieve their strategic planning goals. The first step in project management is deciding what projects to do. Potential projects must be narrowed down using methods like focusing on organizational needs, technology projects, financial analyses, scoring modes, and balanced scorecards. Projects can be categorized based on their purpose, problems, opportunities, or directives. Problems help prevent undesirable situations, opportunities improve the organization, and directives meet new requirements. Projects can also be prioritized by timing and priority levels. Problem-driven projects aim to prevent undesirable organizational outcomes. Examples include cybersecurity upgrades to prevent data breaches and legacy system replacements to avoid operational failures. These projects offer immediate risk mitigation, making them politically easier to justify. Opportunity-seizing projects focus on creating competitive advantages or operational improvements. Examples include AI implementation for customer service automation and cloud migration for scalability. These projects often require stronger ROI justification as benefits may be long-term. Directive-mandated projects are driven by compliance with external or internal requirements. Examples include GDPR compliance system overhauls and management-ordered ERP system unification. These projects have non-negotiable implementation timelines. The temporal prioritization matrix helps guide project urgency by categorizing projects into high, medium, and low priority levels. High priority projects are time sensitive, medium priority projects focus on strategic improvements, and low priority projects involve incremental optimizations. Financial considerations are crucial in selecting projects, often based on an approved business case. Primary methods for determining the projected financial value of projects include net present value, NPV, analysis, return on investment, ROI, and payback analysis. Return on investment, ROI, measures the percentage return relative to the initial investment. It's simple to calculate and interpret, facilitating comparisons across projects. However, it ignores the time value of money and doesn't account for project duration or risk. Project integration management involves coordinating all other knowledge areas throughout a project's life cycle. Main processes include developing the project charter, project management plan, directing and managing project execution, monitoring and controlling project work, performing integrated change control, and closing the project or phase.